Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing for you which is April 2019 and it is KnitCrate. KnitCrate has a website and you can get a subscription on their website, but also they have online shop, and if you're an active member then there's some discounts for you, so definitely check it out if you're already subscribed. And if you haven't, there is a small thing over here from KnitCrate to you, which is this code with KIL20, which gives you 20% off for your first box of any subscription you pick, and there are 2 subscriptions and I'm going to open them today and tell you a few things about them. Yeah, there's an affiliate link down below, so if you go through that they will know that you're coming from me and they will send something my way then. So let's start. KnitCrate membership. This is the cheapest subscription. You get 1 skein and a magazine, I would say. Actually 3 patterns. So 1 skein and 3 patterns for the price on the screen now. So maybe I'll show you the website because to be accurate. And let's see what we have inside. Ooh, I got something extra. I'm not sure that I get something extra or not because I'm actually not sure. Anyway, so this is the this is the yarn, and by saying I'm not sure because KnitCrate also offers sneak peeks, so you can actually sneak peek and they'll show that on their Instagram stories, or they'll send you a link to members and you can click it then. I'm kind of now trying to keep it to be unaware what I'm getting. So basically what I have over here, I have a yarn, and by the squishiness of it, it's so nice. I'm interested in what kind of blend in it, and I would say 80-20, I'm guessing. But anyway, it's Uru yarn. They have in-house yarns and they have a few types, and this one is Uru yarns heels and toes, colorway shelled bug, and it's 80% support merino, 20% nylon. Brilliant. Yeah, that's how it feels. And we have 400 yards, which is 365 meters in 100 grams. So it's slightly plumber fingering, which is quite nice. I like it. Fingering will be roughly between 365 to 425 meters. 365 to 425. So we have over here the difference. 35, 25, which is 60 meters difference, and we still would call it sock yarn or fingering weight yarn. So this is kind of more plumber, but I would not say it's a sport weight. No, I wouldn't say that. So I really like it, and I have that squishiness, and you know that I'm going to show you close. What I can tell you, I definitely had a sneak peek. Somehow it showed on my Instagram how the... So I know what kind of pattern they come up with this yarn because I was watching Hannah opening her box and she was showing magazine. She gets KnitCrate membership, but you know that magazine comes in those 2 boxes. So here it is. I like the way they have the yarn dyed this way. So basically you can actually chop the color and do whatever you like with it, but basically in the pattern there is you'll see, I'm going to show you. So I did have a sneak peek somehow. I couldn't resist. Anyway, no, because it's so cool to see what people get. Right, I'm getting something over here, and this is a box. I haven't got it before in a sock crate. Simply Solid stitch markers. Ooh, and you slide. Okay, so here it is, a box, metal. You just slide, and then I have them in a bag. No, in a tissue. Oh my, I'm going to show you that now. Oh, they're so cute. Can you see them? They're like flowers. Now check the screen. I hope you can see it now. Aren't they cute? Definitely check this out. The size wise, I would say definitely would be, maybe we could squeeze 3 millimeters, which is 2.5 US. And I love the box. Now we have this magazine. In this magazine you have 3 patterns, so I could say from now on that actually KnitCrate comes with 3 patterns and 1 skein, and KnitCrate membership comes with 2 skeins most of the time, unless they have something extra, and this thing too. So let's browse it through. So obviously when I'm opening it, I'm going to see KnitCrate membership colors. Even though I got a sock crate, they have something like April pop-up shop, so they work with artisans, so indie dyers, and they get their yarn into their shop so you can buy it. Although in regards to shipping, if you get KnitCrate membership box, you get shipping for free, but if you buy online in their shop, you pay shipping. Right, so you know I'm skipping those two patterns that you're going to get anyway, so hopefully you check it out my next box. But I'm going to show you what can be done. But I'm going to show you what can be done with the yarn that I've received and what kind of patterns we get. Under grass. Do you see it? This is really nice. Here it is. Stephanie, designer, Voyer. I hope I'm saying it right. And it's really, really, really nice. So now we have here a written instructions. So here it is, you can check something in the shop, and here is the yarn that they have this month. Let's move on to the next one. Just FYI, in regards to sock crate, I actually used a yarn from January, although you haven't seen it on Instagram. But if you subscribe over here, you will see it in the future, because I was doing a test knit and I used that yarn for that test knit. So hopefully soon I'll be able to show you. I finished, I kind of blocked it. I was asked to knit a large size, so I don't have a blocker for that. But anyway, the design is so beautiful and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Anyway, let's move to the next one. Ta-da! Okay, I had a sneak peek because I had a magazine before. There's two colors and I got this one. Oh, I was hoping to get this one actually. So check this out. Isn't it the summer beauty? Oh. And we have the same magazine. So here is the other color. I got this. And what it is? Audine wools, I say that way. So here it is again in house yarn. And this yarn is just so nice because we have cashmere over here. So anyway, we have 85% merino wool, 15% cashmere. That's it, DK. 302 yards, 276 meters, which will be a little bit thinner than my understanding of DK. I would go with 220 meters, so like 50 meters less. So that will be really, really nice. I would say garment. Do you see it? Brilliant. I got an email that if you got Crate and you love the yarn, you can go on the website, and like I said, if you were an active member, there was a nice discount. So in case, for instance, I would love to knit a garment with this and I would need more skeins, I could go there and use that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, I love it so much, although my pale, I don't care. Now, let's see what they suggest to do. Actually, you see, maybe on the screen now I can show you the garment. I knitted with 2 skeins and I had different fingering, and I mixed that to go like with the t-shirt style. Not this one, I should have worn the other one, but it's really nice. You've seen it on the screen, right? And there's definitely finished object video, so I'll put a link to that one too. So over here we have 3 patterns. Like I said, we have that sock one, so even though you haven't received the box, you get in the pattern. And also other 2 patterns, which one is crocheting and crocheting, that's how you say it, crocheting, and another one is knitting pattern. And the first one is crocheting, well, I say crocheting, you don't say T. Liliana designed it, let's say it that way. And I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks on the model. Look at this, any crocheters over there? Oh, so nice, isn't it? It's like, you know those romantic stories, house near the beach and something like this, walking, sunset. Okay, I'm going to read you something. Okay, I won't read you. Check the screen now and pause. They call it a double down. After each month, if the yarn won't sell, they have something in the shop. So in case you want to make a bigger project, this is what they recommend you to do. And check your emails because definitely some discount is waiting for you. Although they said it a different way. Hopefully I said it right. And we have Canopy and Destiny Mayer is a designer. And this one is in that red colour. Although lately you've probably seen on my channel I knitted a red hat. And that would be perfect with it, wouldn't it be? But we have a different colour. I haven't knitted a shawl for a while, to be honest. And that's knitting pattern. And we have written and chart instructions. And as I said, we also have this pattern up here. So I think that's that. I may have another box. And I have the same colour. So I actually have 4 skeins. I do have 4 skeins, and what do you think will look nice in the garment? I think so. So nice. So nice. So as I said, go and check that double down. I think they were saying normally, okay, don't quote me on that, but normally have 25%, and I think sometimes they put something extra on the top of that 25%, so it's quite worth it. I won't be teasing with you anymore. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to check the links down below. Whatever you need, it's up there. So, and definitely if you like a KnitCrate yarn, there's another link up at that whatever I knitted with a KnitCrate yarn is up there. I created a playlist. I knit some of the patterns, but I like to play with the yarn as you would in the creche with the crayons and just mess with it. So check it out and see what I've done so far. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm not sure when I'm going to post another one, but hopefully soon. I hope you enjoy your box and let me know what color did you get or what are you planning to do with your yarn. Bye.